Hello friends, I am Colonel Harpreet Singh Sethi, retired from the Indian Army. I am 71 years plus in age and I had been suffering from a couple of diseases which are age-related diseases, which is typical of most people of my age. First was diabetes for more than almost 25-30 years. Then I had enlarged prostate, fatty liver, and I had a lot of weight, extra weight with me. So I was trying to get rid of this. I tried all various methods to get it done. I could reduce for some days, and then again I would again come back to the normal. But what was troubling me was number one was my diabetes. When I came here, in fact, I got to know about this place, Gokul Naturecure Center, from my elder brother, who had visited this place last year in January, that is 2024. He had come along with his wife. They gave me a positive feedback. So my brother said, this is the right place for you to go and try your hand at this and see if you're motivated enough to continue with it. So I came in September last year with a sugar level which was pretty high. So I was getting maximum dose of the allopathic oral medicines plus 32 units of insulin morning and 32 units of insulin in the evening. When I came here, I met Dr. Kamlesh Solanki and he looked at me and he said, we will reduce your insulin. So I was quite thrilled, but I said, "Kitta satta maar raha hai. So let me try this thing." So he said, be sincere and you'll do it. He brought it down from 32 units to 12 units by the time I finished my 10 days over here. And when I went out from here, it was down to 10 units of insulin. Plus, he told me to get rid of one medicine, allopathic medicine, if I can, because of the negative side effects that medicine has. So he asked me to tell that endocrinologist, my endocrinologist, to change that medicine and give me some alternative one. And I did that. So when I went from here, I was with 12 units of insulin morning and evening, plus all the oral medicines that was earlier also. So insulin came down from 32 to 12, benefit of 20 units per dose morning and evening. I talked to my endocrinologist, he gave me alternative medicine, then he told me that probably if I change the medicine, your sugar level will again tend to go up, so adjust your dose accordingly. So my dose went up from 12, it went to 16, 16 to 20, and then it came gradually got stabilized and came down back to 16, and then I was having 16 units as my insulin every day. So when I came here back to this place in earlier this month, that is in April this year, I had come to this place on 5th of September last year, and now I have come to this place on 5th of April this year. Now with the 6-7 months, when I came back here, first thing I told doctor was my insulin is now gone up to 12. He said, don't worry, we'll bring it down and if you cooperate. I said, yes, I'm there 100% with you. I cooperated, did all my whatever he told me to do and had the same diet that the whatever we did in the nature care home here. And my sugar level was brought down to 6, the insulin level was brought down to 6 morning and 6 evening. Then he cut out the evening one, it came to only 6 in the morning. And 2 days back, it has been now reduced to no insulin whatsoever, morning or evening. So this, I think, is a major achievement that I have achieved coming to this place. Though even the medicines, he's asked me to change one after observing for 3 weeks, and then again, it will take another 2-3 months for the thing to stabilize again at that smaller dose. So I think for diabetes, I could not have gone to a better place than this. I am really grateful to them. But yes, I had been sincere in my own efforts. So whatever they told me to eat or not to eat, I followed that. Whatever exercise was told, yoga was told, I did that. Then after my first visit, that is when I went back in September, I got my HB1AC done, which was somewhere near 9.6 earlier and came down to 7.9. So that was another achievement because it will automatically it will come down because the sugar level has come down. Next point was my liver, my fatty liver. I had a grade 2 fatty liver, which I got when I went back. I got the ultrasound done, and that liver also has improved to grade from grade 2 to grade 1 fatty liver. So it has reversed its, I would say, the negative part, and it's coming positively. They used to give me something in the stomach, some pack of the stomach, something to drink for the liver, and certain exercises they told me, and I followed them sincerely. And I hope this time my fatty liver should also further come down, which I shall be testing another once I'm leaving this place, say after a month or two. I'll be testing that also. My prostate level, I have to go for urine once, twice, sometimes thrice a night. Now it's come down to once a night. That also I feel is a very big positive thing. Weight loss. Initially, when I came here, I lost in my first 10 days of stint, I lost 4 kg, 4.1 kg to be precise. And now in the second lot, I have reduced by 3.5 kg. This thing. So I feel this is a wonderful place. Why I say wonderful place? Because it is not only you or my own willpower or my own this thing or the efforts of one or two doctors in the Naturecure home. It is the complete staff. They have got a very qualified and a very, I would say, caring staff. They take care of every small requirement of yours and positively. You try and get something कि मेरे को ये लेना वो लेना outside the norm of the thing, not allowed. Sorry sir, this is not allowed. Very clear. And but we will help you in whatever you want. In terms of food, kitchen part of it, I think they have got the best kitchen going around for this type of treatment. I mean, in terms of having natural foods, organic foods, and the preparations are really nice. You can make out it like home cooked food. That's what the thing is. And the way they serve it to you is like better than a home. It's like a mother caring for you. For this, every time the small girls they keep coming on, the staff is there. So, or ले लो, ये और ले लो, ये और ले लो. Supposing you want something and which you are not supposed to get, they say, sorry sir, ये आपको नहीं मिलेगा और. So that thing was very politely done, but very nicely done. So that kitchen part I think is very clean. Kitchen is very clean, very hygienic. The dining room is very hygienic, very clean, and you feel like yes, you are sitting in a place where you want to enjoy the food. That is the food part. Coming to the physio part, I think physiotherapy is a very well thing they have got. They have got a ozone treatment also, which I have taken, and ozone treatment is for the hair and for hearing. Two things I have taken this treatment, and I find the first time when I got the treatment done, it worked for about 120 days or so, approximately. But that is the actual life of this ozone treatment. So it benefited me that time, and after 120 days, gradually I could feel yes, my hair loss is again gradually coming in more. As far as hearing is concerned, I can hear more of what my wife tells me now. So that is a I don't plus point for my wife, not for me. But definitely it has improved me. And this ozone facility, I have not found it in anywhere in the country. It's coming up now. It's a new thing, and a lot of research is going on. And I think they are one of the pioneers to do it for this thing. And it's very cheap. When I come down to the rates what I paid for this facility, you will be surprised. In terms of the exercises for my knees, I have knee problem also. So one knee is totally gone. I was asked to operate that and replace it 8 years back, but I tried to avoid it and somehow or the other prolonged. But surprisingly, my knee has behaved and continued. I came here, I did two types of exercises for knees. One is a knee normal exercise, one is knee plus what they call. It's a series of exercises where they give you rotation and the twisting of your knees, and which strengthens your muscles which are holding the knee joint together, the buffer muscles or whatever they call them. But I'm feeling the benefit out of it. I can now walk comfortably. I play golf at least 4 times a week, so that will be definitely much easier now in terms of that point of view. Physio is there. Then coming to yoga, every day morning after we have a bed tea water, you can call it. They give us hot water and they give us metra. Metra is that methika seeds immersed overnight in water. About a teaspoon and a half of that, and just and hot water. You have that, and after that you go in for an hour and 15 minutes of yoga, which is every day, and it is taken by a qualified yoga teacher, which is one of your doctors, naturopath doctors, and it is done very scientifically when this thing, and seeing the type of people who are there and the thing with the problems that they have come in with, those type of exercises are most stressed. With the result that you benefit more. You are just not doing yoga for the yoga sake of it. It is aimed at certain this thing. You see the target audience. The audience is targeted in a correct manner, so that the benefit is given to the audience. So you feel like coming the next day, yes, I'll do something and improve. I'll find the improvement in my own self. That is very important. So yoga is one thing which we've done here. Then we've had the treatment rooms where they give you different types of massages. There's a pottery massage, there's massage with the mud on you, that is that, what mitti is that called? That is, I'll tell you that mitti. I'm forgetting the name of the mitti. That with Multani mitti, which most of the ladies use for their facial and things like that. So Multani mitti का होता है, powder massage is there, pottery massage is there, oil, till oil massage is there. Then there is this एक और massage है, I'm forgetting the name. That is also very good. I have taken that also. And all these massages के बाद they make you drink some water, 2 glasses of plain water, and then you go in for a steam bath. You are put into a steam chamber for 10 to 12 minutes, and there you swell it out nicely, and you come out from there. All your pores are open, and immediately they ask you to go in for a cold shower. So you take a cold shower for a good, say not even 2 minutes or 1 minute, just to get your pores back, and you go in for a normal shower after that. And shower is not a normal shower; they give you I would say a small katori of basin in it, dry basin. So you make a basin paste and rub it on your body, and then have a bath with warm, deep lukewarm water. So that's a very refreshing thing which after the thing you get. Then there are treatment like for my knee. They have been giving me a knee steam on the knee and on the calves and at the back and my back also. That was for 4 or 5 days, and then I followed up by a neem ka lep, not neem ka lep of I would say rice and methi ka dana put together. They were crushed and made a paste out of that and put on your knee for half an hour. So that also helped quite a bit. That is separate. Then they would put something on your head. That is your oil on the head for the thing, and they would put desi ghee into your nose. Some days desi ghee, some days the special oil which they had made within their own nature home, and that would make sure that they take a deep breath and take down. That is another one. So I've taken that also, and it was really useful and beneficial. Then in the evening they do this finger sojo. That is, they tie up those methi ka danas on the plaster and round your fingers, and that is left for at least about 2 3 hours, and then you take it off. That gives you the diabetes got separate in fingers, separate places in which are to be pressed, and different problems have got different this thing. So according to your this thing, your thing is done. One thing I forgot to tell you: when you come for your meals, you give your name, and in front of your name, a very detailed list is given what is to be given to you. It is specific to the person based on the problems that he has. I may have a lung problem, another person may have a skin problem, third person may have a diabetes problem, fourth person may have something else. So like this, there it is actually tailor-made to your requirements. It's like prescribing a medicine to you. Your food is given that way. So I just forgot to mention that part, but this is like this. Then in the evening, let's say you've done your physio, you finished your physio. Not finished your physio before this. I had also taken a physio, this thing, acupuncture for my ears. There were 1 year I had two pins, needles inserted. 1 year I had three needles inserted, and I would keep it on for 20 minutes. That helps the overall to detoxify and I would say de-intoxication का एक होता है, and the other is to supposing you are addicted to something, to get you off your addiction also. It's a very useful thing. So that is another thing which they have also introduced this year, this time when I came. Then after that, at 5:30 in the evening, we all get together in the probably in the your physio room itself, or maybe outside, and do some activity together. Maybe it is chair yoga, maybe it is meditation yoga, maybe it is mind games, maybe it's a lecture on something else. Like this, you are sort of kept together. Plus, the teamwork also comes in between. So you are because makes a little thing little more lively and you feel like learning on that. Then automatically lot of questions are asked, lot of answers are given. The Dr. Kamlesh himself takes lectures. The doctors who are here, they also take lectures on their own. What lectures are to be given, so we listen to them. We have got our own doubts. Why this? Why not that? If we do this, what happens? So all things are clarified. I mean, there's nothing left which is not clarified over here. So I find that's a very competent, very professional way of handling the so-called patients. Then coming down to your living thing like that, there's a nice and their campus is very neat and cute. It is what normal rooms, it has got special rooms, it has got deluxe rooms, it has got super deluxe rooms. I have stayed in a normal room both the times. In a normal room, there are roughly four people in one room. But I never felt I am sitting in a normal room or I am sitting in a deluxe room. Deluxe room has only got, I think, the benefit of AC, which I think in this weather here, even today, in April, middle of April, I would say, the evenings are so pleasant here. There is no problem. You don't require an AC. So rooms are neat, they are clean, they are well maintained every day. Jhadu pocha, everything is done neatly. Your bed sheets are changed, your mosquito nets are clean. Everything aspect is taken care of. Your laundry is taken care of every day, and everything is neat and clean. Curtains are neat and clean. I mean, it's like a good, well organized unit. I would put it. Being a Fauji, I understand what this is, and I'm hats off to them how they have done it. That is one this thing about their thing. Then coming down to the staff, like the chaps who does malish for you, the massage people, they are very professional. They are trained in their jobs. They know exactly साहब ये करेगा तो इससे ये होगा, इसलिए करेगा तो इससे ये होगा. आपको इधर दर्द होगा तो इधर क्या करेगा तो उधर ये होगा. And they guide you and they also sort of educate you and listen to your problem so that they are able to solve it for you. So I found it is an interactive. It's not a one-way traffic. It's a two-way traffic, and one does become a part of their family. I would put it the way Dr. Kamlesh and his wife Kiran they handle the whole team is a wonderful. Hats off to them, and I have benefited a lot, and I wish them a lot. This thing, wish them all the best, and I would recommend if you get a chance, you will not get a better value for your money which you spend than this place. It is the right place to spend a little money and come back. And the little money, I would give you an example. I had gone in Noida, Delhi also. I stay in Noida for like an OPD type, 2 hours, 3 hours in the daytime. You go for 10, 12 days. You pay 40 to 70,000 rupees for that package, which does not include 90% of the things. You don't stay there. Your medicines are not included. Your procedures are not included. All those things are in extra. But here everything is included except ozone, which was a very nominal charge which they put. And value for money is the best. That is what I would say. And try it out. Good luck to these people and wish them all the best. I hope to come back again as a better person. I had some problem of eating cheese and things like that because I don't drink. I eat cheese and I was fond of pizzas and cheese and also that. The way they talk to me, they explain to me, I have left that. I have left eating cheese. So my fatty liver from grade 2 has come down to grade 1. Plus what treatment I got. It is not only that part. There is one portion. And above all, if you have the will, then only come here. If you are going to for a holiday, you think you are going for a this thing just to spend some time and tell people, oh, साहब लोग तो नेचर क्योर में गया है, you know, वो नहीं है, उससे काम नहीं चलेगा. If the will is there, yes, I want to improve myself, and you tell yourself, yes, I want this result to come, you will definitely get the result because the way they help you to achieve that result is nobody's business. Thanks a lot.